TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Monday morning, 30 minutes to go until the opening bell. And we got markets climbing towards flat territory. All the indices slightly in the red this morning, but off of the lows. We have the S&Ps negative by 9 points right now, trading at 2770. NASDAQ negative by 26, trading at 8,200 on the dot. Dow Jones negative by 80. The Dow 30 trading at 23,537. Quite a week for the markets. Last week, you saw the S&Ps climb more than 300 points, about a 12% incline, 12% gained on last week alone. But checking out where we were on Sunday action, volatility still in the market in a big way. Check out the Sunday night futures open, folks. We were up as high as 28.19 in span of the half hour. In a half hour by 6:30 last night, you had reached a low of 27.17. That's 100 S&P points. And then guess what? From that 27.17 low, we're up more than 50 points, right in the middle of that range at 27.70, right near flat territory for the S&Ps. NASDAQ 100, pretty similar action. Check out that volatility overnight. NASDAQ 100 at 6 p.m. was as high as 63.27. By 6:30, we were as low as 8,073. That's about 250 points. Right now, you're trading at 82.04. The Dow, 23,911. That high last night, you dipped down to almost 23,100, right in the middle of that range at 23,544 right now. Jumping over to crude. Quite the week last week for crude. You end 2 weeks ago at 29. You opened last week at around 26. Talk about some action on Thursday. Of course, the last trading day of last week. Thursday at about 10:30 a.m., you're trading at 28.36 in crude. By the afternoon, you're trading at 22.57. Sunday night, we got a record deal in crude. 10 million barrels, basically, OPEC Plus has cut. We'll pull over that headline in a moment. Crude, though, last night goes from 24 and change to 22. We go back up by 9 o'clock to 24.50, and crude trading at 22.96 right now. And jumping over to that headline, there is your headline. OPEC and allies finalize record oil production cut after days of discussion, 9.7 million barrels a day. Mexico agreeing to cut by 100,000 barrels. They had been holding things up by about 400,000 they were looking for, but nonetheless, they get it done. But guess what, folks? When you look at crude, it's a tough one. Crude right now, $22.94, continuing to struggle to find a bid. Stay tuned. Larry Pesavento coming up live right now. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom, live programming all day. Have a great day, everybody.